Good morning, friends. We will present our material entitled Smart Trans. Before this presentation begins, allow me to introduce my team to you. The first one Nur Kolbi Yanti Utami as speaker 1, 2 Eka Marlina Kemalasari as speaker 2, 3 Anita Kusumawardani as the closing presentation, 4 and lastly, myself, Monica Pratisa Wulandari Lermatin, as the opening presentation. Previously, I will explain a little about our title with the theme Smart Transcan based on IoT. Forward, Indonesia is a country with the 4th largest population in the world. The population greatly affects all components that exist in the country, beginning from food needs, employment, to the production of goods in the country. The population greatly affects the amount of waste produced. To continue, insert in waste product cause the accumulation of mixed waste in the TPA. The accumulation of waste can cause various other problems, such as disease vectors, source of natural disasters, and complete further waste management. In dealing with the problem, the government has carried out various programs, including providing trans and sweet version colors in public places, aimed at helping the community in sorting waste. But in reality, people still don't care about the improvement of sorting out waste. Therefore, here we will discuss about innovative ones that can handle the above problems, namely smart transcash. The next explanation will be continued by my friends, Calvi.
Definition of IoT, Internet of Things, also known by the abbreviation IoT, is a concept that aims to expand the benefit of continuously connection internet connectivity. As for capabilities such as data sharing, remote control, and so on, including objects in the real world. For example, food starts, electronic collectibility, and any equipment, including living things, are all connected to local and global networks through embedded sensor and are always activity. The Internet of Things refers to objects that can be uniquely identified as virtual representation in an internet-based structure. Benefit obtained from the Internet of Things, the work we do become fast, easy, and efficient. We can also detect the user wherever he is. Definition of Smart Trash Can. Smart Trash Can is an innovative trash can that is specially designed to determine the type of waste to be disposed of. The smart trash can prototype consists of 4 trash cans with category of organic, plastic, metal, and glass. At the front of the trash can, there is a sensor made of aluminum metal plate that will read the capacitance value of each was to be disposed of. On the lid of the trash can, there is a servo motor that will open the lid of the trash can automatically according to the type of waste to be disposed of. All input and output devices are programmed on the Arduino Atmega 328 microcontroller chip.
Work mechanism. A very simple working mechanism will make it easier for people to sort waste. Before disposing of the trash must first be attached to one of the sensors in front of the trash can. If the trash is placed according to its category, the lid of the trash can will open automatically. If someone wants to dispose of organic waste and attach it to the sensor in a metal trash can, the lid of the organic waste bin will remain open because the system has read that the waste is organic. Such as working mechanism will indirectly force the community to sort the waste first before throwing it into the trash can. This seems to be just a minor problem. However, if it is instilled in the community, the culture of sorting waste will make it easier for the waste management system because the waste has been sorted first before being further managed. Waste that has been separated will be easier to use, such as organic waste that can be processed into compost and plastic waste that can be recycled. This innovative creation can also be a medium of learning or education for children. Profit. Number one, simplify the system in sorting waste. Number two, waste that has been separated will be easier to use, such as organic waste that can be processed into compost and plastic waste that can be recycled. Number three, can be a medium of learning or education for children.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now is the time to close the presentation. Conclusion. In the conclusion of this presentation, as previously explained, we have discussed the IoT-based smart trash can with automated opening using a sensor system. The program used the input-output device on the Arduino Atmega 328 chip. I hope the listeners, after listening to the material above, hopefully will be more aware to throwing garbage in this place, setting an example for the children so that it becomes an education for them too. That's all from us. Thank you to speaker 1 and speaker 2 and also the audience for coming to this Zoom meeting. Peace and be upon you, and all love, mercies, and blessings. Thank you for everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.